Welcome to UMS PCS Regulatory Insight Podcast. I'm your host Lakshita. Today we are going to discuss about the foreign certifications that are required for the foreign manufacturers to export the goods in India. That certifications are FMCS. If we want to export some goods to India, that certifications is used for shipment, approvals and market access.
Absolutely, this is something should be known to all the foreign manufacturers who are targeting Indian market.
Let's start. What is FMCS?
FMCS stands for Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme. It is a scheme which is introduced by Bureau of Indian Standard, that is the BIS. If your factory is outside the India and your product fall under mandatory BIS scheme, you need to get a FMCS certification. Without that, you won't be able to sell your product in the Indian market.
Who exactly apply for FMCS?
Any foreign manufacturer whose product falls under the mandatory BIS scheme need the FMCS. The industries which fall under FMCS basically are the electrical, steel and construction, electrical appliances, automotive components, chemicals and safety products. If these industries don't have the FMCS certification, they won't be able to sell their products in the Indian market.
Now, let's talk about the process. It is complicated?
No, not at all. It is detailed but can be manageable by proper guidance. First, we have to identify the Indian standard, the IS standard for the product. Then we need to appoint an authorized Indian representative, the AIR. Then we need to prepare the document and the quality records. After that, we need to submit the application to the BIS. Then comes the factory audit by the BIS official. After that, the product is tested by the BIS approved lab. Then the certification is granted and permission to use the ISI mark.
So, BIS actually inspects the foreign factories?
Yes, the BIS official visit the manufacturing unit to ensure the quality system before the approvals.
What are the common problems manufacturers face?
See, many companies struggle with several problems like understanding the Indian standards, then the documentation errors. For that, inspection coordination is also required. Communication delays are also there, and handling the BIS queries. These are the main problems which are basically the manufacturers faces.
Where the export support is important, right?
Exactly, at UMS Product Compliance Services, we provide you the full support for the FMCS certification. We help with identifying the Indian standards. We act as the authorized Indian representative. Then we prepare your documents also. Then we coordinate for the inspection and testing. We handle all the BIS communication. We also help in managing the renewals and post-certification compliance. Our goal is to make the process very smooth for the manufacturers.
What is your final advice to the foreign manufacturers?
Start the certification as early as possible. Don't wait until your shipment is ready. FMCS takes time. It needs inspection and testing. So proper planning saves your cost and the delays.
Thank you for explaining us so clearly. For more approvals, connect with us with UMS PCS. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshita.
Thank you.